Hey guys, welcome to Comfycozyup. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Anyway, today I'm going to see Patti LaBelle. So I haven't done anything this winter, so looking forward tonight and enjoy the video. Gorgeous in here.
That's what is this? Picking it out the flat. Waiting. Probably can't hear me. Tell you the words they never say. Now it's time for me to find more nice.
If you reach this far in the video, thanks for watching. As you can see, the video is short because, you know, copyright, so you only can get bits and pieces of the concert. But she was amazing, like one of the best concerts I've ever been to. You know, what you see on TV, what you hear, yes, like the epic when she kicked the shoes off, yes. But love it, and cherish this moment. And 2 down, 2 more to go. Gotta get these legends off my list, my bucket list. And that's it. Again, I have on Wet n Wild, new Wet n Wild liquid lipstick, and it lasts. As you can see, still in good shape. Don't look crazy. Other than that, subscribe, thumbs it up, comment, all that good stuff. Go check out the blog, www.comfycozyup.com, and I'll see you in the next one. Come on back.